Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Academy. In today's video, we will learn about WordPad. This video is perfect for beginners who are trying to learn Windows for the first time. Let's get started. So what is WordPad? WordPad is a basic word processing program in Windows. You can use WordPad to create letters or create documents, change font style or size. You can also make text bold, italic, or underline. WordPad is more powerful than Notepad, but simpler than Microsoft Word. It is great for practice and small documents. There are four ways to open WordPad. The first way to open WordPad is through Start menu. To do this, click Start, then type WordPad. Once you type WordPad, just press Enter. This is the easiest way to open WordPad. The second way to open WordPad is through Run. To do this, press Windows key plus R. Then type WordPad. Then press Enter, then it will open WordPad quickly for you. The third way to open WordPad is to pin WordPad to Start menu. Click Start and then search WordPad. Then right-click on WordPad and then click Pin to start. Now WordPad stays in the Start menu, so you don't have to type it in anymore. The fourth and the last way to open WordPad is through Pin WordPad to the taskbar. To do this, click Start, then type WordPad. Then right-click on WordPad, then click Pin to taskbar. Now you can open WordPad with one click through the taskbar.
When you open WordPad, you will see an interface like this. This is called the menu bar right over here. This is called the toolbar. You have the ruler over here, and this is called the status bar at the bottom. And when you have more text, you can see a scroll bar over here where you can scroll up and down. So let's start with the menus. In WordPad, we actually have three menus: File menu, Home menu, and View menu. Let's start with the File menu. In the File menu, the first option is New. Let's say you have this text over here. Now you want to open a new document, start fresh, start a new file. Just come to File and click on New. It will ask you if you want to save the current one or not. If you don't want to save it, just click on Don't Save. But if you want to save it, click on Save. Now, as you can see, we have a new blank document where we can start fresh. The second option in File is Open. This opens your recent work. Let's say you have worked on a document in the past and you want to open that one. Just click on Open and choose that file. Once you choose it, just click on Open here. It will open the file for you. Here you can edit it and finish it. The next option in File is Save. Let's say I have some work over here and I want to save this, so next time I can access it and open it and I can edit. So it's important. If you want to save this, come to File and then click on Save. It will ask you for the where you want to save it. You can choose a location and you can give it a name. And once you do that, just click on Save and that will be saved in your computer. The next option in File menu is Save As. Save As does the same thing as Save. But with Save As, you can save the current document with a new location and a new name. Once you come to Save As, you have some formats that you can choose from. You can save them as rich text document, Office, open document text, plain text document, or other formats. You have these formats to choose from. The next one is print. You can print your document. But you have a few options over here. Print. You can print it over here. The first option is print. Select printer number of copies in other printing options before printing. When you click on the first one, here you have to choose a printer. If you don't see yours, just click on add a printer. The next one is orientation. Here you can choose if you want the printer paper to be printed as portrait or landscape. And next you have pages. Here if you want to print the whole document, all of the pages, just select all pages. But if you want specific ones to be printed, click on custom range. Let's say I have 10 pages and they all have information in it, but I only need to print 3, 6, and 5. Click on custom range and write the pages you want to be printed. Let's say I want to print 3, 6, and 5. If I click on print, the only pages that will be printed will be 3, 6, and 5, and won't print the rest. Once you do that, just click on print and it will print it for you. The next option in print is quick print. Here, send the document directly to the default printer without making changes. You want to print it as it is. You don't want to access the settings. You just want to print it like a preview. You just want to make sure if it looks good or not. The next one in print is a print preview. Once you click on that, it will show you how your paper will look, how it will be printed. This is like a preview. Once your paper is printed, it will look like this. That's all in print. The next option in file is page setup. Here, before printing, you can change the paper size. You can choose if the paper should be landscape or portrait. You can choose the margins from the left, right, top, and bottom. And here it shows a preview. Let's say I want the margin from top to be 5 or the left. Here it shows the preview over here. And if you want to print the page numbers, just check mark this one, print page numbers, and just click on OK. The next option in file is send an email. Let's say you want to send this one to someone, to your friend, to your family member. You can send it through email. Once you click on that, it will ask you to give some information like write their emails, write a message, and select the document. That way you can send it to your friend, whoever you want to send it to. The next option in file is about Word. Here is the information about the WordPad. It shows what version it is and other information. The next option in file is exit. Here, if you want to close the WordPad, you just click on this. This will close the whole program for you. In WordPad, next you have the home menu. And the home menu is divided into sections. You have the clipboard section, the font section, the paragraph, insert, and editing. Let's start with the clipboard section. In the clipboard section, the first option is cut. Let's say you have some information over here. This information. Cut. Let's say you want this word to be at the end, not at the beginning. So you just select the word and click on cut. And you just come wherever you want to paste it and click on paste. Now it's not at the top or at the beginning anymore. Now it's at the end. Next we have copy. Let's say you want this word to be in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So you want it to stay here too. You just click on copy and then wherever you want to paste it, if it's in the middle and you just go there and click on paste. Let's say I want in the middle and at the end too. Now look, it stayed here too. So copy does the opposite of cut. So if this just made a copy, you can paste it wherever you want. It also stays here. Next is paste. Whenever you copy or cut something, you click on paste to take it. Let's say I copied this. If I want this to be here, you just come here and click on paste. It comes over there. Let's say I want to cut this. You just cut it, and wherever you want to paste it, go there and click on paste. Now it's over here. So this just paste the text or whatever you have copied or cut. This was the clipboard. Next we have the font section. In the font section, the first one is font style. Let's say you don't like the style of your font. You don't like how it looks. You just select the text, come to font style, and choose whatever style you like. Let's say I like this one. So you just click on it and it will change. See, now it's different. There is more styles too that you can choose from. You have this and many more. Next, you have the font size. If you want you want to make the text smaller or bigger, just come to font size and here you can make it smaller or bigger. You can make it bigger here and you can also make it smaller. Let's say I want to make it bigger, 24. See, it got bigger. And you can make it more bigger, let's say 36. If you want to make it smaller, you can also do that too. Here, 40. Now, smaller. With increase and decrease, you can do that too. With increase, you can make the text larger or bigger, and with decrease, you can make it smaller. The next option in font section is bold. Let's say you want the text to be bold. Let's say you can let's say you only want this to be bold. So you just select this and click on bold. Now it's bold. It's different from the rest. Let's say you want this to be bold too. If you want everything to be bold, just select all, click on bold. Now everything is bold. And you can also choose italic if you want it to be italic. And let's say this word is important and I want to underline it. You just select the word, come here and click on underline. Now it's underlined. Or this. You come here and click on underline, it's underlined. The next one is trick through. Let's say this word is spelled correctly or the grammar is wrong or it doesn't make sense. You just select the word and it will draw a line on it, like cross it. The next one is superscript and subscript. This is used in formulas a lot. Let's say you want to write down x2. But if you want this to be at the bottom, you just select it and come here and click on subscript. Now it's this. But if you want it to be at the top, you come and click on superscript. Now it's at the top. Next, you have the font color or the text color. Let's say I don't like black. Black is not my favorite color. I want this to be blue or something else. You just select the text and come here on to text color and choose the color you like. Let's say I like purple. Now the text color is purple. Let's say I want this to be red. You select the text and click on the color. Now this is red. Next, you have the highlighter. Let's say this word is important and I want to highlight it. Just select the word, come here to highlight and pick a color. Now it's highlighted. Now it's yellow. Let's say I want this word to be red. Come here, click, choose a color. Now it's red. So it just highlights the text for you. Next, you have the paragraph section over here. Let's say you have this paragraph over here. First, you have the align settings. You can align the text to the right, to the left, and you want it to be in the middle. You can also justify it. Let's say you want it from the right or left. Let's say left. Just select the text and click on it. Now it's in left. If you want it to be in the middle, just click on this. Now it's in the middle. If you want it to be on the right, just click on the right. Align text to the right. Middle, left, and right. And if you want to justify it, just click on this. It will justify it for you. Just in the middle. Next, you have, let's say I want this line to be more more to the right. Just select the line and click on this. You can move it to the right and you can also move it to the left. Next, you have the start ls. With this, you can add bullets, number. Let's say you want this bullets. Let's say this is one text or sentence, you want this to be a bullet, and you want this to be a number. So you just come here, click on the second paragraph, and here choose a number. Now this is a number, and this is a dot or a bullet. You have other options too, like lowercase, uppercase, alphabet, and others. And you also have none. Let's say you don't want number or bullets, none. You just come here, click on it, just come here and click on none. You don't have anything now. Next, you have line spacing. Let's say between these three lines, the line spacing should be more. They should be apart. You just select the three lines, come here, and choose a line spacing. Let's say I want it, now it's 1.15, I want it to be 2. Now, there is more space between these two lines. Let's say you want them to be close, make it the space smaller. Just come here, the smallest one is 1. If you want to make it more smaller, just click here. Next, you have the insert section. Here you can insert stuff. Let's say I want to insert a picture. Here you can choose a picture, you can change the picture, and you can also resize the picture. These two don't work because you don't have a picture here. So let's add a picture first. Let's say I want this picture. Let's say we have this picture. Here now they should work. Here you can change the picture. Let's say you don't like this one, you want to insert another one. You just click the new one and click on open. Now that one is gone. This one is here. This one is on top. Next, let's say you want to resize it. Let's say it's too small. You want to make it bigger or smaller. Just click on resize. Here you can make it smaller from horizontal and vertical. Let's say I want to make it bigger. You can lock the aspects too. Let's say, for example, now when I'm going up, both of them are going at the same time. But if you want to do separate, just uncheck mark this, and then now this one is not going, this one stays. Now once you do that, just click on OK. Now it got bigger. Next, you have the date and time. Here you can insert the current date and time. Here, once you just click on it, you have the format. You can write in numbers and words, and you can also insert time. Let's say I like this one. Just select the format and click on OK, and this will be inserted. See? And let's say you don't like this format, you like this one. Just select the format and click on OK. Now this one. Here you can insert time and date. Let's say I want to as an insert time. Just click on it. Here you have the time. Just click on OK. Now you have the time. Next, you have objects. You can insert objects from Word, Microsoft Excel, and PowerPoint, and you can also insert charts too. Just click on it, whichever one you want to insert. Let's say I want to insert this chart. Click on OK from Excel. Here you can insert the chart. Now it's inserted. You can insert whatever you want. You have Word documents, charts, everything you have. Next, you have the editing section. Let's say I have some text over here. The first one is fine. Let's say I'm looking for a word. I can't find it. So all you have to do is click on find. Now type the word here, the word that you are looking for. I'm looking for this word. Just type the word and click on find next. It will find the word for you. You have these options: match whole, word only. Let's say you have a word that is written, the first letter of that is capital. And if you don't write the capital word here, the first letter, it won't find it for you. So it has to be the exact same word. You have to write it exactly here as it is over there. Match case, you just have to, like, let's say that we have the word that you're looking for. So uppercase, that doesn't matter. Next, you have the replace. Let's say I have a word and I want that replaced to be with another word. Let's say I don't like this word. I want this to be replaced with. And next, you have the view menu over here. In view menu, the first section is for zoom. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. Let's say this text looks smaller. I can't see what it says. So you just click on zoom in. It zooms in the page. It makes it closer. But if you want to zoom back out, let's make it smaller. Just click on zoom out. It will make it smaller. 100% means when you have zoomed in so much or zoomed out, when you click on 100%, it goes back to 100% zoom. So next you have the show or hide section. Here you have the ruler and the status bar. If you don't like this lower, you don't want it, you don't need it, just uncheck mark the box. Now it's gone. But if you want it back, just click on it one more time. Now it's back. You can see that roller over here. Next you have the status bar. You see this line at the bottom? This is called the status bar. Here you can zoom in and zoom out with this too. If you want this to be visible, just click on it. If you don't want it, just click on one more time. Now it's not here anymore, it's gone. If you want it to be visible, click on it again. Now it's back. Next you have the settings. Here first settings is word wrap. Let's say you're working on this. When you do this, when you get to the end of the line, it starts a new line automatically. But you don't want this. You want it to keep going, going, and never stop. So you just come here, click on word wrap, and then click on no wrap. Now you keep going. It doesn't start a new line automatically. But with word wrap, it starts automatically a new line. Here you have the wrap to window. You can choose that and wrap to ruler. Soon as it gets to the end of the ruler, it starts a new line. Next, you have the measurement units. You can measure it by inches, centimeters, point, and thickness.
That's all for today. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe to the channel for more easy computer lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.